It's a joy to create. I've been doing this for almost half my life. I still get excited about it. My name is Rusty Arena, and I am the owner of Arena Design.
Arena Design is a manufacturing company, and we produce hand-painted and hand-printed wallpaper and textiles. It consists of 2 printers walking down a table with a silk screen. One is on each side of the table, and our tables are 100-foot long tables, so we can do a consistent run of up to 30 yards. Everything is touched by hand. No 2 yards are ever going to be alike.
There's 5 of us total, including myself. It's personal, and I don't take pride in what they do. I'm just thankful for the good team that I have.
It's really important to work with people that you can work with every single day because they do become your family.
To be able to achieve this art at the scale, you have to have a manufacturing process. So what makes them unique is that they truly are manufacturing art. My name is Victor Perozzoli, and I am a manufacturing specialist here in Houston, Texas. We are part of the MEP National Network, and I work for the TMAC program.
Hurricane Harvey hit us really hard. When we all finally arrived here at Arena Design and we opened the door, immediately everybody cried. It was something that nobody here has ever experienced. It was heartbreaking, it was emotional, we lost everything we had. And that's where TMAC Gulf Coast came in and said, it's okay, we can do this. We can get you back on track.
I went there when they were in an emotional shock. They had, I think, 4 to 5 feet of water that I walked in and started literally picking up the debris from the floor and putting it into dumpsters. But as a team, as a center, we help them with all the aspects of the business. We help them to grow, we help them to retain sales, we help them to negotiate with vendors, we help them to get contracts, we help them to set up inventory systems.
We had hurricanes hit us and we could call MEP. COVID hit us and we knew we could call MEP. Anytime we needed to get back on our feet, they were there.
TMAC provided us with assistance in rebuilding after Harvey. They've always got your back. They gave me confidence. They're like friends, and they're always available. That means so much to know that I can reach out to them and get that level of competent, friendly advice.
Because of them, we're so successful.
They've positioned us in a way that we're now working for restoration hardware and doing incredibly well. They projected for us to triple our volume.
I hear in American manufacturing, to me, is someone that delivers a product that makes society better. Is someone that creates jobs. Rusty hits all those check boxes.
Right now, the company is just amazing. We've never seen it this way, and I am so excited for the future.